Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to clone a GitHub user repository using Eclipse. Some things to note. At first, a repository is just a place online for code to exist. And GitHub is just a site that many people use to host those repositories. Some things to note about GitHub. Here's where you'll see a lot of the code. This is just a directory structure, so if we want to go in and actually see some code, here's a Java class. This is the one that we're going to want to be cloning into our Eclipse so we can edit it and run the code. So first thing we're going to want to do is we go up to clone or download. We're going to highlight this, right-click, go copy. You could also use this button right here. Switch over to Eclipse, go up to File, Import. You're going to want Git. If that's not open, just open it. Projects from Git. Click Next. Clone URI. Click Next. Now it should paste this stuff in here for you automatically if you copied that over, but if it doesn't, just go ahead and give it a right click, click Paste. Should fill in the host, which is GitHub, and the repository path, which in this case is the repository owner, or me in this case, and the repository name, which is ps1_test in this case. Give it a click Next. This will show you the branches on the repository. I only have master on this assignment. What branches are used for is for collaborating with other developers in unison without having too many conflicts. That way you can branch, make a new feature, push it back. But you don't need to really worry about that right now. We're just going to keep it on master. So give it a click Next. Now this is the directory path where the project is going to be installed. If you're on Windows, you're probably going to see a C drive or a D drive, depending on how many hard drives you have or where you're installing it. If you're on Mac OS or Linux, you might see home/user/wherever it's installing. Either is fine. You just need to keep in mind where your project is going to be installing in case you need to access the files for something like uploading it to an autograder. Initial branch, you can just keep that at master, and remote name, you can just keep that at origin as well. Give it a click Next. Import existing Eclipse projects, that's perfectly fine for our use cases. We could just leave it at that. Click Next. This page is just a summary of everything that's going on. You're good to just click Finish Up. So it'll import the project for you, and then you're going to want to go down to where the code is located in this source directory, and then in the ps1_test project. Give a double click on that class to open it up, and here's the class. And you should be good to go. You can edit this, you can run it up here, and yeah, that's how you start by grabbing the assignment and editing the code. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope that you have an awesome day.